What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the all new upcoming smartwatch, and it's not the Galaxy Watch 5 but unless it's an rival, and we are talking about the Oppo Watch 3 series of smartwatch, and it's launching on the same date as of the Galaxy Watch 5 series, and it's launching on August 10th. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. Now, unlike the Galaxy Watch 5, it will be launching only in the local market of China at 7 PM on 10th of August, and it does tease a rotating crown on the smartwatch, and this time the watch will also be having its curves, but it will be in the different format and it will be having more curve towards as compared to our hands. Now, what we have also previously confirmed that the Watch 3 series will be coming with the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 SoC, which is again the latest smartwatch processor which you can get right now. And what other part from that, the watch will be coming with the 3 models which you can expect. One will be coming with that Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chip. And apart from that, the watch will also include a high screen to body ratio with the LTPO display, and you will also be getting a dual chip of some Apollo 4 Plus and the standard ECG in all the 3 smartwatches. Well, there are a couple of colors which have been leaked for the smartwatches, and it will also be coming with the temperature monitoring like the Galaxy Watch 5. Well, there are some more rumors which are being expected to be heard about this smartwatch. So if you are like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.